Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix no internet access on an Ethernet connection on your Windows PC, if you have a no internet access message, despite your PC showing an Ethernet connection. Sometimes, getting an internet connection up and running isn't that easy. Try these tips to get your Ethernet connection working. If your router is not having issues, you can try running the Network and Internet Troubleshooter on Windows. This tool will scan your system for common internet-related issues and attempt to fix them. To run the Network and Internet Troubleshooter, follow these steps. Press Windows +I to open the Settings app and head to System. Then Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click the Run button next to Network and Internet, and follow the on-screen prompts to run the troubleshooter. Disabling and re-enabling the Ethernet adapter is an effective way to fix any temporary glitches that may be causing the problem. Here's how to do it. Press Windows +R to open the Run dialog box. Type the following command in the box and press Enter. Expand Network Adapters, right-click on the problematic driver, and select Disable Device. Wait for a few seconds, then right-click on the Ethernet driver again, and select Enable Device. If the problem persists, you can try updating the Ethernet driver. This will fix issues caused by outdated or buggy drivers. Changing the network profile on Windows, and turning off the metered connection option can also help with issues restricting internet access on your Ethernet connection. To do this, open the Settings app and head to Network and Internet, and click on Ethernet. Then, turn off the metered connection toggle, and change the network profile from public to private. After this, restart your PC, disconnect and reconnect the Ethernet cable properly, and check if that fixes the issue. By default, Windows uses the DNS server provided by your ISP. Issues with the default DNS server can sometimes result in a slow or no internet connection. You can try switching to a more reliable DNS server, such as Cloudflare or Google DNS, to fix this. To change the DNS server, open the Settings app. Go to the Network and Internet tab, then Ethernet. In the DNS server assignment, click on Edit and select Manual. And turn on IPv4 toggle button. For instance, if you want to use Google DNS, then enter the following in the respective fields. After changing the default servers, make sure you flush your DNS cache to remove old and bad entries. Windows should now be able to connect to the internet without any issues. If none of the above fixes work and you still see the no internet access error, consider resetting the network settings. Doing so will restore all the network settings on your PC to their defaults, resolving any issues you're experiencing. To reset the network settings on Windows, open the Settings app and head to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset, and click Reset Now. Your PC will restart after 5 minutes and reset the network connection. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.